Alright, hey everybody, it's Joe from NC Piedmont Outdoors, and while I was out doing my turkey hunt this morning, I wanted to kind of show you my turkey vest here that I was using. This is the Old Tom Tactical Turkey Vest. It's really lightweight. That's what I like about it the most. It's extremely lightweight, but it has a ton of pockets to carry the gear that I need in the field. So I've added some things this morning to kind of show you what they look like. So obviously in this front pocket, which has this little elastic band right here that locks, this right here is going to hold, it has the capacity for 2, but right now it's just holding my pot call here. A little pocket over here as well in front, and that hooks and locks right there, so that isn't going anywhere. It's not going to fall out. Above that, it's got space for 3 strikers, and these are little magnetic clips on it. This striker is a little big, so this doesn't quite close, but it's tucked in there. It's not going anywhere. This one's a little bit smaller, goes right in. See, and it just slides right in there, and then has this magnetic clip, so that'll keep that in there. That's not going anywhere as well. And then another space up here. Have a pocket on the side here where I've got my owl call. There's also a zipper pocket here that allows you to add more gear, glove, face mask, whatever you particularly need, right? Go to the other side. Certainly right here I have my box call that I use. It's got a little pocket right here for some mouth calls. It's got another zippered pocket here. This could be for shotgun shells or whatever you need right here. No problem. Right now I've got my chalk for my box call that I use. This is of course my Slammer series box call. I just put that on there so you know it's a Slammer series call, but this is my Slammer series box call that I use. I can fit that right in there, doesn't move. Again, another generous pocket right here, as I mentioned, where my chalk is. Going to the back of the vest, again, nice little cushion, falls right down, no problem there for sitting, so that's perfect. And when you're done, it folds back up right there, it connects and clips, so it's out of the way, so it's not hitting your legs when you're walking. It does have a pocket back here, right here, big mesh area. And it also has on top in the back here your pocket for your orange. Let me just take this off so I can show you that. Take this off right here. And again, as I mentioned in the back, it has this part right here, has a little cushion pad in there, and then it also has your safety orange, right? So if you're laying against a tree, right, and you're sitting down on something, you can definitely see that there. And again, nice soft packed kind of like foam right here, so if you are sitting up against a tree, it gives you a little bit of comfort, or if you're not, at least you can see that orange safety material right there. And then there's just Velcro closes like this. You can see it does have a rather large pocket right there in the back. I guess you could try to fit your turkey in there if you wanted to. It's fairly large. But hopefully you get a bigger bird than that and you're good to go. And then, like I said, this seat just comes back up and clips on magnetically right there to hold so it doesn't hit your legs. It's got a little side pocket on the side here, again, and it's got like a little container here where you could actually throw some water, a water bottle right in here as well on the sides. So overall, this is a really cool lightweight vest. I've had a couple different ones over the years, some with full long sleeves, some where the sleeves rip off, but they're still very heavy kind of material. And I really like this one because it is so lightweight, and it still carries a lot of gear, but gives me the flexibility to be able to move. And again, when I'm using my Newcomb blind, if I have to run and gun, I can quickly, pop that blind up and head out on the road or wherever I need to go to get to where the turkeys are. But this vest, even with all this gear, doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything at all. So this is really kind of a really nice vest. You don't need all that material, you don't need sleeves, you don't need all that because you're wearing your other camo underneath it. So if you're looking for a nice turkey vest, check out the Old Tom turkey vest. This is the tactical edition. I know they have several different options, but I'll just show you that label right there. That's the Old Tom, OL''Tom. This is the tactical turkey gear. So check out this. I got this one at Bass Pro Shops. Just go ahead and check it out, and yeah, you won't be disappointed with having a very lightweight turkey vest. And you can see the pockets on the inside, another zipper pocket. There's another pocket here for like another call or striker, another zipper pocket. So this has plenty of pockets on both sides, even on the inside. So check it out, and thanks for watching, and we'll have another video for you soon. Take care.